Greetings everyone, in today's video I am going to over whether you can see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right here. So I'm gonna open up the Snapchat app here. If I take a quick snap here and tap send to the bottom right, you can see here I don't have it currently showing up, but a lot of time it will show up with your best friend who you snap with the most. You can send them specific snaps because they are your best friends. You interact with them the most. Let's go out of here, bend in and then go to chats. You will see some of your best friends on your chat list. So of course you can see your best friends. But if I tap on anybody, let's just tap on a random person here. You can look through their profile, and Snapchat does not share who other people's best friends are. And the reason is Snapchat is founded on privacy, having each person being able to have a private conversation with other people without random third-party people knowing, so there is no way to see the best friend list of any other person unless you are on their phone, on their account, and you look at their profile and see exactly who their best friends are. But as third party or under a different account, you would not be able to see who their best friends are. Of course, you could always just ask them for a screenshot of their best friends. That's an action. So this is the video. Thanks for watching.